Finally, I got my hands on this cute, adorable elephant-shaped MDF boards. I have always wanted to create a fridge magnet with my own hands, and now is the perfect time. Some of you might think why I'm not sticking to the traditional colors like black and grey, because I wanted to experiment with the blue and purple shades and let me know how they work. And in this painting everything looks great, but I think something is missing. Wait, let's add a flower. Wow, now the beautiful fridge magnet is ready.